Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the last topic in perfect competition, that is long run equilibrium of the industry. We have discussed long run equilibrium of the competitive firm, we are discussed, but now we are going to discuss about the long run equilibrium of the industry. Then when the industry is in equilibrium, when all the firms are fixed feasible price for a product and earn only normal profits without a disturbance of entry and exit of the new firms, then the firms will be getting normal profits and they are fixed the feasible price for a product also, and at the situation only industry will be in equilibrium position. That is, we are shown here in first diagram is applicable to the industry because demand curve is slope downwards from left to right. In industry is in industry only we can call it is price maker. Second diagram will be shows the firm. Here firms will be getting only normal profits without saying of anything. Also we can say in this situation cost and revenue, because here price is they are fixed as a feasible rate only decided by market. So in this situation all the everything cost and revenue, either short run marginal cost, short run average cost, long run marginal cost, long run average cost and revenue cost, these are all equal at point E. So they are fixed the price of the commodity is OP level, that is the feasible price, and normal earning of the income only will be having chance to fixing of this level of price of the commodity will be decided by industry. Then this level they are selling the quantity of output is OQ level by all the firms in industry. Then in this level only industry will be reached to the equilibrium position in long run. In short run we cannot say where will be having equilibrium of, means will be getting by the industry, because disturbances we are seeing in short run, but in long run we will be having chance to seeing of this. Then what type of conditions are satisfied for seeing of long run equilibrium of industry? That is, first one is minimum feasible cost. Minimum feasible cost of production of per unit of output will be seeing in industry. Then compulsory we are seeing what about the normal profits will be getting by the producer, and MC equal to MR. MC equal to MR means minimum feasible price is equal to additional cost of production. If these two are equal or these two are equal, then the firm will be getting normal profits. When the firm will be getting normal profits and there is no disturbances in the production activity, then full utilization of the plants is possible, because there is no wastage of resources, available resources we are seeing in long run. These are all possible when the firms will be getting only normal profits. These normal profits will be getting by the producer in perfect competition in long run. These are all will be equal. That is LMC, means long run marginal cost, marginal revenue is equal to price. Long run average revenue, average cost, these two are equal to mass. Short run marginal cost and short run average cost is also equal. So these are all cost and revenue cost and price, these are all will be equal in long run. That's why then the firm will be fix the feasible price, not a firm. Industry will be fix the feasible price will be followed by all the firms. Then these firms are getting only normal profits when LAC is a false. For explaining of this last point, now we are seeing one simple diagram. This is AC curve, this is MC curve. So what about the last point? LAC is a false, then LAC greater than LMC. When LAC is a false, then LAC is greater than LMC. So compared to here, in this situation, compared to LAC, LMC is less. When these two are intersect, that is LAC equal to LMC. These two are equal. And when the MC curve and AC curve will be rises, compared to AC curve, MC curve will be rises very fast. In this situation, LAC less than LMC or LMC greater than LAC. So this type of situation also we are seen here. So based on these cash cows also we are saying when these two are equal, then only firm will be getting feasible income for surviving of their firms in the industry and not having chance to any disturbances in the industry. So these are the conditions are fully satisfied under perfect competition in long run. That is, they are fixed the feasible price on the basis of feasible cost only. Then here two are equal, MC equal to AR is equal and P equal to MC is also equal, and we are not seeing any wastage of resources also will be having chance when it is possible, when the firms will be getting normal profits. Then in long run these are all will be cost and revenue and price, everything is equal. And when what about the situation of these cost curves, we are shown simple way on the basis of this diagram also. When LAC is decreases, LMC is also decrease, will be having less, but compared to LAC, LMC is more less, that's why LAC is greater than LMC. And where these two are intersect, that point is 2 is equal, AC, MC 2 is equal, and after that MC is rises, AC is also rises, but MC is increases very fast than AC, that's why LMC greater than LAC or LAC greater than LMC. When these are all conditions are satisfied, then in the firm, then all the firms in industry will be in the equilibrium position. Then industry also will be sees the equilibrium position. This is what about the complete perfect competition in short run as well as long run. In short run and long run mainly we are discussing firm, but in last and finally we are discussed what about the industry also. So thank you students. If you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends also and give like. Thank you.